Welcome to Profit Made Simple, where we deliver content and strategies each and every week so you can have more income, more impact, and more freedom from your business. Please subscribe if you'd like these videos each and every week. Now, today I'm going to be discussing the only productivity tip that you will ever need. Now, this has completely transformed my life. It's transformed the lives of many of my clients, and I know that it will do the same for you. It's called the LEAD formula. L-E-A-D. List, eliminate, automate, and delegate. We're going to now dive into each one of these categories. So the only productivity tip you'll ever need is the LEAD formula. And we're going to start with L. And L stands for list. If you want to become more productive, then you need to be more mindful of how you're spending your time. So the first thing we're going to do is an activity audit. Because I have no doubt right now there are a lot of leakages in your day and week. So many opportunities to be that much more efficient and therefore more productive. So over the course of 3 days, I want you to have a time diary. Simply write down in 15-minute increments everything you're doing. And this is going to create great awareness. It may scare you a little bit as you see how much time is spent on social media, how much time is transitioning between your tasks, and how much time you may be taking just to execute simple things like check and respond to emails. So that's where we're going to start. Now, the E in our LEAD formula, if you want to increase your productivity, is for eliminate. I want you to go through that time audit and I want you to eliminate absolutely everything there that A, doesn't move your life forward, doesn't help you become wiser, more informed, healthier, more financially savvy. So eliminate everything there that doesn't move your life forward. And be ruthless. Don't hold back. Then I want you to look at it from a business perspective. What are you doing right now that you're not seeing a return on investment for within your business? And you may have just done this because you've always done it. But I really want you to hold every single one of those tasks under the magnifying glass and question, is this moving my business forward? Is this moving my life forward? And if you can't definitively say, hell yeah, then you need to eliminate it. You need to remove it. And I guarantee we're going to find hours every single week just from this alone. But we're only 1/3 through this process because we're now coming to our A. Our A is for automate. You see, right now you're probably doing a ton of things manually that could be automated. So if you're sending out welcome emails, if you're following up your lead inquiries via text or phone calls, there's a high likelihood that this could be automated in a really simplistic way. And so the way that we use automation in a few of my businesses is if someone inquires, we automate the follow-up. So emails, text messages, voice memos are automated so they get the information they need and then they can book a consult accordingly. Then we also automate the lead nurture. So once they've actually become a lead, we automate some information so they get to know a little bit more about us. We build that trust, we build that rapport so they can make a more informed decision. Then we automate elements of the onboarding experience. So when you become a client, there will be a series of emails and text messages and again, voice memo drops that tell you a little bit more on how to make the most out of the program, the services, so you can really become acclimated into the community and the process itself. So these are just some of the ways that we're using automation. So have a look at that time audit. Are you currently doing any one of those activities manually? This will save you so much time. And the way that I like to think about automation, it is like the employee that never sleeps. They are a machine. They're working for you 24/7. They're following up. They're nurturing, they're onboarding, and they're delivering tons of value. You create the work once, and it delivers it an infinite number of times. And now we come to the D within our lead formula and the only productivity tip you will ever need. And this is the biggest. It is delegation. You see, I believe as a business owner, 80% of your time, energy, and focus needs to be in 5 areas. Number 1 is critical thinking. Are you allocating, when you look at that time audit, significant time to critical and creative thinking? Number 2 is leadership. Again, look at that audit. Does it reflect leadership as a priority? Number 3 is management. Number 4 is marketing, and number 5 is sales. 80% of your time and energy and focus needs to be in these 5 key areas. Right now, if it's not, that's why you're not growing. And so we need to delegate so we can create more space, more time, so we can have a higher focus in these 5 core areas. Because these are the ones that are going to move the needle for you and your business. But delegation is not only reserved to your business functions, it should also be for your personal functions as well. No doubt you want to spend time exercising, having great experiences, spending time with your loved ones, your partner, your kids, doing incredible things. But if right now you're spending a ton of time on cleaning, on cooking, on assembling furniture, on doing lawns, on doing the pool, and other just daily functions, then that's robbing you right now. You see, you have the opportunity to buy back time with delegation. And this is why I love delegation. You see, I'm not very good at maintaining my pool or my garden or assembling toys for the kids. And so I will delegate that. I'll use sites like Airtasker, Upwork, and I will delegate those tasks. And what that gives me is more time to do the things I love or I'm great at. I'm only great at a few things. So I might as well spend a majority of my time in those places because they bring me joy, but they also really propel my business forward. So I want you to look at that list. And first, let's approach it from a business perspective. Right now, are you spending 80% of your time in the core 5 functions? I'll quickly go through them again. Creative and critical thinking, leadership, management, sales, and marketing. If you're not, then you're spending too much time on the actual delivery, administrative, accounting functions. And so we need to be delegating those immediately. Now, I know you might be saying, this will cost me money. Absolutely it will. Delegation will cost you money. But you are far better delegating tasks, administrative tasks, accounting tasks, bookkeeping tasks, cleaning tasks within your business. Because I guarantee your hourly rate when you sell or market or lead or manage your people is far higher and you'll get a far better ROI. So we want to start from a professional perspective. You shouldn't be doing things like graphic design. You shouldn't be doing basic client support. You shouldn't be checking your emails. You shouldn't be updating client accounts. You shouldn't be doing your reconciliations in your accounting software. That can all be delegated so you can focus within your zone of genius. Then I want you to audit your personal life. What are we doing right now that could be easily delegated to somebody else at a fraction of your hourly worth? For me, it makes sense to pay a gardener $50 to mow my lawns. That's an hour I get back to spend with my kids, and I can make 10 times that amount within my business. You are not going to propel your life and your business forward by not delegating, by trying to save the money and do everything yourself. This is an incredible gift that you have. You get to buy back time. And so I want you to delegate as much as you possibly can. So between the eliminate, the automate, and the delegate, you now have more time. How you spend that time is up to you. You can focus on the things in your business that are going to propel and accelerate it forward. You can do more in your personal life with the people that you love and the things that you love. And what you have is you have a much more rich, vibrant, joyful life. And that's what I want for you more than anything else. Well, there you have it. The only productivity tip you will ever need, the LEAD formula. List, eliminate, automate, and delegate. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value from today, I would love for you to like and subscribe. And remember, you have the power to shape your destiny. Apply the LEAD formula and watch your profits soar.